So on test 2, the one you're getting ready to take, on test 2, there's a series of these problems. Now, I'm going to let you in on a little secret. You got to pay attention. Okay? Only y'all who are here today and watching the video are going to know. On the test, there's F, G, and H. So pay attention. Okay? There's 3 equations. There's F, there's G, and there's H. So you got to pay attention to which letter I use so you'll know what equation you're supposed to be referring back to. Does that make sense? Here, I just gave you F and G, so you know that there ain't but 2 equations and go deal with them. But on the other one on the test, there's F, G, and H. And sometimes I'll say F plus H, G plus H, F minus G. Does that make sense? So just pay attention to what letters I tell you, because it's not just the same 2 every time. All right? To find F plus G of 3, you're going to find F of 3, you're going to find G of 3, and you're going to add those 2 numbers together. So what is F of 3? Richard, you good, baby? Yeah, you good? Okay. Just wanted to check in with you over there. Something tells me you might have slept less than Rory did. Just speculating is all. I slept good, in case you're wondering. All right. 9 plus 7, that's your F of 3. This is your F of 3. Watch this. Yeah, look at that. G of 3. Okay. So you find this, you get 9 plus 7 is 16. 4 times 3 is 12, minus 2 is 10. So this final answer is 26. We good? All right. Now, F minus G of 2. Find F of 2, 3 times 2 plus 7. Find G of 2, 4 times 2 minus 2. And then you're going to subtract those together, yeah? 6 plus 7 is 13. Minus 8 minus 2 is 6. Looks like 7. Right? All right. If you're watching this at home, you need to do something, pause it because I'm about ready to erase all that. Because I need to be able to, oh, you know what? Watch this. In the hands of a lesser professor, this be a problem right here. Bam. Watch this. Bam. What's up? I'm giving private lessons later on if you need them. All right. Now, hard part. Hard part. We're here. We're here. What does that mean? Find G of 4 first. Find G of 4 first. Always start with this piece here. All right, always start with this piece here. Find G of 4 first. So G of 4 is what? 4 times 4 minus 2. That's 14, yes? Now you're taking this. Oh, yeah, watch this. Now you're taking this. Now you're taking this. That did not work the way it was planned. And plugging it in for F. Wow, I was feeling myself on this machine too. It's all right. You know what? We're going to go old school. Plug it into F. Right? Get your answer, plug it into F. 3 times 14 plus 7. Not a mathematician, but I believe that's 49. I was trying to be humble. How's it working? Good. Look at that. My copy and paste skills are extraordinary. G of F of negative 2. Yeah? So what do? Take F of negative 2. 3 times negative 2 plus 7 equals 1. Get that answer. Plug it in, plug it in. Think of an advertisement that would be so good. You just say, like, plug it in. G of 1. Two. We good? You good? Do I need to go back to the other one?
No, I got a picture of it.
Need to go back to the other one? Oh, well, which one do you may be on? This one? Oh, shit, I didn't even want. Shoot. Phone number for Lakeland is 863 297. Nice knowing you, Dryer. Right now, there's people at home going like this. Nice. How does that work? All right, the other one. All right. I'll post this on Canvas and on YouTube. Okay. Which, let's just be honest, if you're watching it, is on one of those two platforms anyway, so you figured it out. All right. Last two. These are the hard ones. Well, let me rephrase that. They're all hard if you don't know the answer. All right. But these two are especially challenging. You know what? We're going to go straight green for cash right here, baby. F times G of X. What does that mean? That means you got to deal with the expressions. You're not dealing with a number. You're dealing with the expressions. So you got to multiply this expression times this expression. 3x plus 7, 4x minus 2. So you distribute. 12x squared minus 6x plus 28x minus 14, which would be 12x squared, 22x minus 14. Okay. And we'll end with this last one.
Can we leave it like that?
Yeah. Yeah, we'll end with this last one. Is it F composed with G or G composed with F? We'll end with this one. G composed with F. What does that mean? That means take F and plug it in for G. Let me do it slowly. I know we're out of time, but just let me help me walk through this together. We're going to take this. We're going to take this expression, come over to G, and plug it in right here. So where the X is in G, you're going to plug in this whole expression. And so what it looks like is this. 4 times 3x plus 7 minus 2. 4 times 3x plus 7 minus 2. And what does that get you? 12x plus 28 minus 2 for a final result of 12x plus 26. Just leave it like that. All right. Again, I'll post that on Canvas and YouTube. If you'd like to see some more of that, I'll be here tomorrow at 8 o'clock for the donuts and questions. Hope to see you then. If not, I'll see you back here on Tuesday. Just a reminder, if you can't make it tomorrow and it is live cast on YouTube, come in and see me Monday morning at 8 o'clock. I'll be here. I'll also be here Tuesday morning as well. We're out of time. We'll try to do better next time. Until then, take care of yourself and each other.